Hello student, this is the next video of the second chapter. So let's see what is the story of this lesson. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so is effortlessly without hearing. So students here intriguing means होता है fascinating या curious या interesting. So the writer या person who is talking to the Evelyn as a introduction या taking interview, he says that it is intriguing means it is very curious, very fascinating to watch Evelyn functioning, yeah, to watch working Evelyn so easily without applying any efforts. In our 2 hours discussion, she never missed a word because during the communication she did not miss any word, yeah, skip any word. Men with bushy beard give me trouble, she laughed, and she also laughed on a sentence. It is not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish lilt. The person is saying that whenever she speaks, it is looking so curious because not only her lips but all the faces, especially eyes, is looking, expressing the sense. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says. So Evelyn says that I could speak, yeah, I can speak so clear because till the age of 11, I was able to speak clearly. But that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. But in her interaction, she did not mention how did how did she take command over the language of Japanese and French. As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hairs. And whenever they talk about the music, she said, it is my life. In fact, I am unable to hearing the music, but I can recognize it by the several part of my body, whether it is my skin or hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the sticks into her fingertips. And whenever she is playing the xylophone, she says that I feel it through my fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body. And whenever she work on the drums, she felt that by bending, I can recognize, yeah, I can sense the beats of the drum. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibration pass through her bare foot and up her legs. So whenever she perform on a wooden stage, yeah, wooden table, she generally remove her shoes so that the vibration come through her feet and she can sense the music. Not surprisingly, not surprisingly, even Evelyn delights her audience, and there is not a matter of shocking that the audience is always feel appreciation in her company, and yeah, either they watch her performance. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year's award. In 1991, she was awarded by the very prestigious award that is related by the Philharmonic Society. Says master percussionist James Blades, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. So a person whose name is James Blades and he is a very good percussionist, he says about her that God had taken her ability of hearing, but in the return he had given her something extraordinary. What we hear she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. And also he mentioned that what we hear is feel by her. Means she know the music very deeply, and that is the reason she is know her each and odd, her even odd point of the music, and that is the reason she is expressing the music so beautifully, so lovely. Evelyn confess that she is something of workaholic, and I've just go to work often harder than classical musicians. So she also express in her opinion that she has a habit of work. Without work she can't live. I've just got to work. I only have to work often harder than classical musicians. and she also present a set, she also present a example of doing work, and she work hard in the comparison of the classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous, but the reward that is come in the result of it, that is also so big. Apart from the regular concert, it will also give free concert in prisons and hospitals. I've just got to work often harder than classical musicians. So she is saying that she work harder in the comparison of her classical musicians, and the result of this that is also come. It is like a reward that is big in the comparison of them. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gave the free concert in prisons and hospitals. So apart from performing in a regular concert, she also does a charity work by sponsor free concert in prison and hospital as well. She also gives high priority to classes of young musician, and she also support the young musicians group. Annie Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children sent, so a person who belong to the Deaf Children's Fund says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children, that Evelyn is a inspiration, a motivation for those children who is suffering from hearing impairedness. They see that there is now here that they cannot go. Means by seeing her, the children thinking that they also can go. There is no place where cannot go. Evelyn Gilney has already accomplished more than most people twist her age. Means Evelyn has achieved a twist in her life in the comparison of other elder persons. She has brought precautions to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. And she also demonstrated that she can go further in the comparison of other person, other musician. She has given expression to those who are handicapped, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. And she also set an example to those people who are handicapped, because it is their concern that if Evelyn can do, why can't we are. So like this, she is a ideal for those person who are incapable of their physical, who are facing their physical challenges. So like this, she is a pleasure, she is giving appreciation to the millions of people, and set example before all of us that if we really want to do something in life, so we can achieve it. So students, this part of the second lesson is going to finish. In fact, it had finished, and now what you have to do, you have to write down the summary of this chapter and also the question answer that is given in the NCERT book in your notebook. Thank you.